Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got off work. I literally walked in the door like 5 minutes ago, but I have my Ipsy bag for the month of March and I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys what was inside. Just film a quick video. I am starving. I'm so hungry and I am so tired. So I'm gonna quick film this video for you guys, find something to munch on, and then just kind of take a little nap because I'm exhausted, I'm hungry, and allergies are in full swing. I feel like I have the nastiest head cold, but it's just allergies. So yay for spring. But let's go ahead and get started and see what's in my bag for the month of March. So Ipsy, as I'm sure you're all very aware, I say this in every Ipsy unbagging video, Ipsy is a subscription service. It's $10 a month, and each month you get about 5 deluxe size products to test out and try. So this is the theme for this month. The card is super cute and colorful. It says it's National Women's History Month. To celebrate, we loaded up your March glam bag with female founded brands and girl boss staples. Learn about these trailblazing founders plus everything you need to know about your 5 Ipsy Shiro products on Ipsy.com or the Ipsy app. Then it's got a little bit more information. On the back, it's reminding everyone that there is a new quiz, a personalized quiz to take to personalize your bag, and then they're having a giveaway where you can score 50 glam bag products plus $1,000 cash by using hashtag #IpsyShiro. And you can go onto their site to learn more about that. But then the card opens up, and I really like this. It shows all the different products and some information about them. I wish it had like the price for each product, but it doesn't. But it does tell you the name of each product and just a little little paragraph about them. So this is what the bag looks like for this month. It's this really pretty rose gold material, and then it's got this cobalt blue zipper, and the zipper tag or the zipper pull is a little star that says Ipsy, and the bag itself says, "And off she went to change the world." So inside, the first thing I have is from Ciate London, and it's a lip luster in Call Me. This is what it looks like. It's just a really glittery lip gloss, it looks like. It smells really good. It's an interesting dope, but it's kind of like a teardrop shape. It tapers off down at the tip of it, and it's pretty sheer. It's got a slight pink tint to it, and it's not really holding a lot of glitter within the swatch, if that makes sense. There's a lot of glitter inside the tube that I see, but swatched on my hand, it doesn't look like it picked up very much glitter. So I do like that. It is pretty, and I will definitely use it. The next thing I have is from First Aid Beauty, and it's the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, and it's safe for sensitive skin, and you just apply it all over your face. So that is what that looks like. It's been a minute since I've used anything from First Aid Beauty, but I know that they are a really good brand, so I'm interested in trying that out. This is something I'm super excited about. It's from Tarte. It's their Man Eater Mascara, and I have heard such good things. I got the bag stuck to my arm. I've heard such good things about this mascara. It's super cute too, the purple and the gold and the black writing. So I heard good things about that. I'm excited for it. Next up I have from Foxy Bay, No Fox Given. That's a little questionable. This is the Flamingo leave-in cream conditioner. So it's for your hair. It has biotin, and it's sulfate and paraben free. This is what it looks like. Super cute packaging. I thought that I had an eyeliner and it broke all over the packaging, but that's what it's supposed to look like. I think it's super adorable. I'm very excited to try that out. And then the last thing I have is a brush right here from SL Miss Glam, and it looks like it's just a small flat shader brush. I'll open it up for you guys. Hopefully, maybe, we'll see. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's got a pretty glitter handle, some decorative rhinestones, and then just kind of a more square type flat shader. So I will definitely get use out of this. Brushes are one of my favorite things to receive in subscriptions. So that is everything that I received for the month of March. Go ahead and let me know down below the products you received. If there's anything that I received that stood out to you, let me know. I would love to talk with you guys in the comments. So please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.
picture's worth 1,000 words. I'll paint an invitation to